Hi guys, this is Wana from the Midnight Mouse, and today we have a new unboxing. This is part of my birthday gift, which means that here we only have a small head, which is Withdoll Olivia with a company face up. I just received the package and we'll see how she looks. So yeah, this is my Withdoll Olivia with her company face up. Her body will arrive a bit later. I opted for a doll family H, the slim version, and I really love her makeup. She's very pretty and soft. I just added a wig for her and a pair of eyes, blue eyes, to have an example. I will customize her after the body arrives. Thank you for watching.